Hi everyone, you are watching this video if you chose country flag. This is the choice board, and again you will click on the title of the topic, country flag, copy this document, alright, country's flag and its meaning activity sheet. Again, each question has been divided into slides for extra help and support. Just in case you don't know how to organize your presentation, I have done that for you. So question 1, you would answer, what is the history of the flag? That would go on slide 1. Slide 2 would be, who designed the flag? Design was like created the different symbols or colors that are embedded in the flag from your country. Slide 3 would be, who or what does the flag represent? Slide 4 would be, what do the symbols mean? Slide 5 would be, when and why do we fly the flag? Any significant dates? When was the flag created? That could be also incorporated in this question. Slide 6, are there any rules for flying the flag? Slide 7, what colors are on the flag and what do they mean or represent? Draw and provide information about your country's flag. You can use Google Draw to do this. It should be in color and as accurate as possible. Please make sure it covers the entire page. Attach the drawing in your Google Classroom assignment page, or you could put it into your Google Slides as well. All right, so if you have any other questions about this activity sheet, you can email me via Pupil Path or send me a private message in Google Classroom. Good luck!